On the issue of the former president, clearly my report, I stand by that report that the Bala Committee is still working, coming out with reports of why we lost, and by the time they will finish, we will take decisions. And decision is not for working committee, but the entirety of our party. And I believe that whoever that is interested when 2023 will come, maybe including the former president, the chances are that the PDP is a party of all. Everybody will have that opportunity. But in a clear terms, no, we have not taken any decision to give anybody ticket for now. You can't be talking about ticket when the country is in a terrible bad shape. I think we should face that fact first and press on the people in government to do better, to secure us, and then better economic agenda for the good of the people. I think that is what I'm talking about. We are not going to talk about who will get the ticket now.